Ever wondered why Haitians around the world consume soup Joumou on January 1st? It's the most popular dish in a Haitian household on that day. That's because January 1st is considered Haitian Independence Day. And while many around the world are celebrating a new year, for Haitians, it's a day to recognize their history, their culture, and their long fight to freedom.
Soup Joumou is our independence soup, a freedom soup. During the time of slavery, the slave masters, notably the French, they used to have this delicacy, and it was forbidden for the slaves to have some. And as a result of our independence, they said, you know what? Which better way to celebrate our freedom, our independence, than by having soup Joumou on January 1st.
The origins of soup Joumou dates back to 1804. After years of oppression and brutality at the hands of the French, Haitian slaves led by General Tousssaint rose up against their masters, driving away the French army which occupied Saint-Domingue, now known as Haiti. The battle and victory inspires other uprisings throughout the Caribbean and Central America as Haiti becomes the first Black republic.
It's our way to remember our freedom, the fight we had to go through. It's a way to pay homage to our ancestors, to those who fought for our freedom, and it's a way for us to pass it from generation to generation. We don't want to filter the recipe, we don't want to modify the recipe, because then the generation that's coming is not going to know the true traditional way of doing it.